Alright, purchased these 76-inch flat running boards here off Amazon. $146 free shipping, can you believe that? Now, these boards are made of high strength aluminum. Supposedly can withstand 500 pounds on each side. Here's what's in the kit. You do get your brackets, the two boards themselves, and they are powder coated. Let's get these installed. Alright, just to show you, these brackets are marked. It's very faint. They marked them before they painted them, but this one RR for right rear, and then you have marked accordingly all around here, so you know which one goes where. So I'm going to go ahead and mount these up underneath. You're going to need these large brackets here. It comes with 4 of these. It also comes with 2 smaller brackets. You'll use those only if you have the step side that's 97 and 98 model. So they must have smaller cutouts. Let me show you how these go on underneath. So we're going to duck up underneath the truck here. Alright, so here we are underneath the truck, and you're going to find 2 slots. You may have rubber gasket covering it, or a piece of cloth as well over it, and cloth tape. Mine were already uncovered because I had steps under here previously. So these 2, there's an oval cut out there, and then towards the front, right there, you got the same deal. That's where these brackets are going to go. So take your bracket and you just feed it back through in there. Like so. Now we'll take our bracket and we're going to run it over them holes, and we're going to hand tighten the nuts. Alright, and you can see, so I have a flat washer, there's a lock washer there, and then the nut, I think that's the 3/8 nut, comes in the pack. Alright, once you get your brackets hand tight up under there, don't fully tighten them yet, flip the board over, and it comes with these brackets, and basically you have a channel here. You have a channel here, and you're gonna slide these through approximately where you need them. One here, one down there, and set it up on there. Hand tighten those. Flat washer, lock washer, and nut, and this hardware pack came with the steps here. Going to get one slightly started so this bracket doesn't come off. Make sure my back bracket is where it needs to be. Same thing back here. Okay, now since everything's hand tightened, now's the time to slide it forward or backwards, in or out, get all your fine tuning done, and then snug up the hardware. Okay, once you get everything snugged down or where you want it and snugged down, torque wrench time. These bracket bolts, these bigger ones, the 3/8, 19 foot-pounds. And I already had them snugged down. Doesn't seem like a lot, but that lock washer's And then I recommend, you know, checking them after you run it for a little while. These ones down here, these smaller ones, 9 foot-pounds. So, let me get that done.